Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sage Business Cloud Accounting easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Press enter on your keyboard. On the home page, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is entered, click on the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Sage Business Cloud Accounting dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password, then click Sign In again. You are now logged into your Sage Business Cloud Accounting account. Explore the features available in your dashboard to start managing your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.